Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to ship orders on Whatnot step by step. First, always use whatnot.com for the full experience. Step 1. Set your label preferences. Before generating labels, choose your label size, either 4 by 6 or 8.5 by 11. Also set your packing slip size and confirm your return address. Remember, you can't change the return address after generating a label. Step 2. Review shipment details. Go to the shipments page in Seller Hub and filter by needs label. Check each order carefully. Look for cancellation requests, confirm bundled orders are correct, and make sure weight and dimensions match the final package. Step 3. Generate labels. Select your shipments, click Export Shipping Labels/slips, and choose what you want to print. Packing slips are optional but helpful for organizing orders. Step 4. Pack your items. Pack each order securely and double check that everything matches the shipment details before sealing the package. Then attach the label. Step 5. Drop off packages. Finally, take your packages to the carrier listed on the label or schedule a pickup, and that's it. Your Whatnot orders are ready to ship.